Yeti! I'm going to get you, Katie. I'm going to get you. Come on, Katie. Can you walk? Yeah.
He doesn't know what it is.
Mama.
I know, we gotta get on road before it's gone. It's just in. I know.
Here, Katie, I'll carry.
What'd you think, Katie? Huh? What'd you think?
Hey, Mama, come see the snow angel I made.
Did you make a snowman?
No, but I made a snow angel.
You did.
Come on, come look.
Okay. Hold on. Your picture. There we go. Oh, Katie, what you doing? Come here. Oh, what's that? Put it back in. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Let's go. Come on.
Mama, come on, come see.
Want to touch the snow? Okay, Luke, I'm coming. Let's go look at Luke's snow angel, Katie.
Look.
Boy, it's pretty sticky snow.
Ma.
Oh, cool.
The head, the body. It's 2 legs.
Woo! Is it cold, Katie? Huh?
And down here you can ice skate, Mama. Mom.
Luke, come here by Katie. I want to take your picture.
Mama, you can ice skate out here.
Katie, look at Mommy.
There's an ice skating rink.
Oh, come here. Hey, Luke. Come here. I want to take your picture. Come by Katie.
I'm a Yeti!
Smile for Dad. Here. Look at that. Look, Katie. Look. We should build a snowman in the golf course today. Look at me, boys. Girls. Say cheese. Katie, look at me. Say cheese. Look over at me. Okay. You gotta show that to the grandmas. I don't have a passy. I didn't bring your passy outside.
I'm a Yeti! Yeti attack!
Pretty neat, huh, Lynn?
You better run because I am a Yeti!
Hey, Luke.
Ha!
Watch this. Should we make sound? Watch with you. Probably the only one knows how to do this.
Body part!
Go get 2 little things for
Hold on.
sticks. Hey, go
I'm
get
making
2
the arms.
sticks for arms.
I'm making the arms.
Careful.
I'll get some snow.
Hand me the red. Like this size right here.
How about this stick? It got fingers. It got fingers.
Fine.
Well, yours doesn't have any fingers. This has to have fingers.
There.
Katie, no. But I made the eyes right there.
There, go stand by it, Daddy. Take your picture. Cheese.